又加班怎么办？
没事，有咸蛋黄拌面陪伴，填饱肚子继续冲啊！这是冲啊，咸蛋菌拌面，香蟹口味的。
Kudos to you. Interesting foodie journey begins with you and me, the curious food lovers.
Today, we shall have salted egg yolk noodles cup for supple. Product brand is Go Go, Mr. Salted Egg, crab flavor, manufactured in Hubei, China.
See what do we have inside the cup. Noodles cube. Fork. Seasoning powder. Veggies garnish. Seasoning sauce.
杯面里有面饼、调味酱包、调味粉包、蔬菜包和小叉子。
I'm going to use my own mug to cook the noodles.
我喜欢用自己的大杯子煮泡面。
Hot water is readily available. Pour in.
把准备好的热水加入面饼，
Cover up.
盖好。浸泡5分钟左右就可以了。
Soak for 5 minutes.
Time's up. Noodles cooked.
面条泡软了，熟啦。可以把水倒掉。
Pour out the water.
This is a dry noodles, so we don't need the water.
这是一款干拌面，所以不需要水。
Get all the seasoning ingredients in.
把所有调味料包都加入面条里。
Stir. Thoroughly stir.
搅拌均匀。
All set.
好啦，最后把蔬菜干轻轻撒在面条上。
Last step, add on the veggies garnish. Consist of sesame and seaweed flakes.
One more additional step. Add an egg.
加一粒鸡蛋。
Looks so tempting. Come, photo time.
I know. You want to make a thumbnail later on, right?
Bingo.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos to You channel.
Kudos to You is a foodie discovery channel featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core. Local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos to You channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food. Which one is tasty and yummy? Which one tastes so only?
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe. Click the bell. Click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday. Time to eat.
Finally. Noodles and salted egg sauce. Let's taste it out. Not bad. The salted egg taste stands out. Noodles is chewy, not too soft. If you don't like spicy, this crab flavor is a good choice. Not too salty, with a little bit of sweetness. This is a non-spicy noodles.
Not much salted egg noodle choices in the market as yet. Worth trying it.
的确有咸蛋黄的味道，咸中带一丝甜，口感不错。这款香蟹口味是不辣的，不能吃辣的朋友放心选择。市场上咸蛋口味的方便面并不多，这个值得一试。哎呀， 记得订阅我的频道哦。
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points, 7.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.
今天的美食开箱视频，开动只打出7.5分好评分。视频制作不含任何推销或抹黑动机。
See you again next Tuesday.
快点点击订阅、点赞，支持小丽的影片哦。我们下周2再一起开动美食喽！